Hi everyone, this is a quick one today because it's a very short answer, and the question came up in my Facebook group of whether you can link different products to different products in different shops. So let's say you have 3 Etsy shops. One sells supplies, one sells the finished products, and one has absolutely nothing to do with the other 2. Well, yes, you can link in like different listings to products in different shops. So if I have a supply in one shop where, let's say I sell the silicone molds that I make for cake decorating, and then maybe I sell the finished products that are made with those molds in the other shop. So what I would do in the shop with the finished products is say, hey, if you don't want to buy these pre-made, if you want to make them yourselves, you can buy the mold for it in my other shop. And then I would link to that listing. And then in the listing shop, where the supply with the listings, I would say, if you want to have me make these for you, here's the link to the finished product in my other shop. Now, there's no reason you can't sell both things in one shop, but I'm just using that as an example. So you can definitely link to different listings between your own Etsy shops, and you can link to things in other people's Etsy shops too. You cannot use the share and save links or affiliate links on Etsy. That won't work. Don't do that because they're going to take that payment away from you and they might kick you out of the program. But you can go to the Etsy link. Let's say that you just, search for the product, grab the product link and put that in your listing. That's perfectly fine to do. And they actually like that because it keeps people on the platform and it gives people more opportunities to buy things. And if you have multiple shops that are related, it can have people kind of go back and forth and find out that you have another shop. And sometimes they don't know that. So the answer is yes, you can link from one listing to another in different shops. Pretty simple. Okay, give this video a thumbs up and I will talk to you later.